Back for day 2, right? The first movement that I'm going to do, just to get the calves warmed up, is I'm going to do toe raises or calf raises, right? I'm going to knock out 25 in this position with my feet together. Then I'm going to turn my feet out. I'm going to knock out 25 more, right? And then the last position is heels out. So I do 25, 25, 25, right? And then I'm going to get into a ballistic sequence where I do 2 toe touches like so. And then I do 2 squats with my feet together and I kind of just drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm looking for 10 to 15 of these. Right? Then the third piece, now that I got the blood flowing, right, I'm going to get into the hamstring sequence. I put my chest down on my thighs, I hook the arm, and then the first contraction is pressing back, right? So I do that, inhale, exhale, press back, and then I'm looking for 3 to 5 reps there, right? Then the second contraction, I'm still down like this, I'm going to press the heel into the ground. So big inhale, and then the heel goes down into the floor, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Once I've worked my way through 5 to 10 contractions of both movements, I'm just going to hang out in this split position for 30 seconds to a minute, right? And then of course take care of both legs, right? That's your warm-up.